Franchise law firms versus franchise business consultants. Which one is better for franchise expansion in new markets? Most franchise owners get this wrong. They assume business growth is just about sales and marketing. The surprising truth is that legal compliance and strategic market insight are equally critical when expanding into new territories. Franchise law firms specialize in the legal side of expansion. They draft franchise agreements, ensure compliance with local franchise laws, register intellectual property, and help navigate labor or tax regulations. For example, opening a franchise in a new state or country requires contracts that comply with local disclosure laws and protect your brand, which a specialized law firm can handle expertly. Franchise business consultants, on the other hand, focus on market strategy and operational readiness. They advise on site selection, competitive analysis, marketing plans, and franchisee training programs. A consultant can determine which regions have the most growth potential, identify optimal pricing strategies, and design support systems for new franchisees. The optimal approach combines both. Legal expertise ensures compliance and risk mitigation, while business consultants provide actionable insights to scale efficiently. Neglecting either aspect can result in legal disputes, slow growth, or failed launches. The takeaway is simple. Expanding a franchise is not just a business challenge, it's a legal and operational challenge. The surprising truth is that companies relying solely on consultants risk regulatory pitfalls, while relying only on law firms may miss strategic growth opportunities. Integrating both ensures smooth, compliant, and successful market expansion.